So welcome once again. In the previous tutorial, we have created up to that places we made our server up and running. So server is running on port 8000. So now it's time to create the MongoDB. So to connect the MongoDB with our, as it is MERN Stack CRUD operation. So Mongo, Express, Node, and React is needed, and we are going to use RTK Query with React.js. So for connecting the DB, what we need to do, say DB connect. So what we need to mongoose dot connect, mongoose dot connect. Okay, process dot env dot say mongo URI. This URI will come from a node, from env file. Okay, then dot cassette, as it will return promise. Okay, then console log database connected. Okay, sorry, dot then the lowercase. And another thing is dot cats error. Console, and no need to console dot log db error. So in the env file, you have to give the connection string. So from where you will get the connection string? You will get connection string from here. You need to go to the connect, say connect. This is the connect. This is the connection string. Okay, and you have to copy it and give it here like that way. Mongo URI. Not template string. This is the connection string. You have to give it additional like password, username and password. So from where you will get the password, you will go to the database access and create the username and password. If you dive into the deep, you will get all the options over here. Okay, so I am giving my own string, username, password, and coming back, because I have not like to show you my user name and password. So this is very easy, not very big deal. So I am coming back. So I have given my connection string. I think everything is all right. So if we need to bring the mongoose from mongoose. I think everything is all right. Then case there is a spelling mistake. Case. Let's see, server is running on port 8000. Yes, boom, database connected. So we have successfully connected our database with the MongoDB. You see the connection string and everything. So now today in the next tutorial we will create our health check, like is everything is okay, and create our user model schema, and then go along. Okay, so if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned, stay connected. It will be a wonderful journey. Thank you very much. Stay connected. Thank you. So Shakil, once again, in the previous video we have connected our database. So now it's time to create our routes and everything. Okay, so another thing we need is Morgan. So import Morgan from Morgan. What is Morgan? Morgan is to see the log of our file. So if I will show you later, if we hit any routes or the wrong, it pops or it creates, it will, we can see the log over here. Okay, so first of all we need to install the Morgan. npm install Morgan. And Morgan is a middleware. Okay, so middleware, so app dot use Morgan, give it a diff flag. Okay, and we need routes. So say app dot use, we want our every route should be prefixed by API. Okay, and auth routes, and auth routes will come from our routes folder. Okay, it will give error right now, no problem. So create routes, routes routes, and give it a name auth.js. Okay, and in the import express from express dot router express.router and router dot get, we need to check the health of our site. Okay, so we want to check the health like this way, say health, and it should be request response. So res.json give it a message site health is okay. Okay, access app before initialization. Book the route cannot access before initialization. So what's the problem? We have defined express in the lower portion, it should be in the app, we should express app and express API, and auth route is not defined. Yes, we have not defined auth route. Import auth routes from routes dot auth dot JS auth routes auth routes auth routes cannot find module routes auth. Hello, there is routes auth routes. Is there any spelling mistake? Okay. Okay, there is a bit of type over here. It should be router. Let's see. Okay, we need to give a dot over here. This is the fault, I think this time. Author does not provide export default. Okay, no problem. We need to export default. Export default router. I think this time everything is alright. Yeah, everything is alright. Now what we need to do, we need to go to the browser and check our first routes. So localhost 8000, we need to prefix every routes like API. Yeah, site health is okay. So everything is all right. So now what today, in the next video we will create our schema and model. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and stay connected. Stay tuned. See you soon.